the solution to this example. So the first part, we can create a formula and we know it's equals the units sold multiplied by the selling price. So that gives us a number, and in this case we can actually copy it all the way across. The problem will be is when I copy it down like that, if we look at what it's doing, you'll see it's correctly gone to branch B's units sold, but instead of looking at row 8, it's looking at row 9. So that should give us a clue. What we should do here is E11, this one here, we don't mind if it moves up or down, and we won't mind if it moves left or right. But cell E8, what we want is it must always refer to row 8. So let's put a dollar sign in front of the 8. We don't need to put a dollar sign in front of the E, because when we copy it to cell F, to column F, G, etc., we want it to move. So I think that's correct. Let's click enter. Now I should be able to copy it across and paste it, and I should be able to take that whole section and go down and paste it. And let's just check. Again, don't check at the beginning. Go to one of these, say trace precedent, and you'll see it looks like it's doing the correct calculation.